Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak ka Cupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kapiliwang ito.
You're watching Ambitiosa, the only show dedicated to everything Anne Curtis. We're bringing you another wonderful episode of Anne's different activities na talagang nakaka-inspire at nakakatuwa. First up, Anne attended the Umaluhokwan Awards 2016 at the Lyceum University of the Philippines.
This is the third year na we're giving away this award for media and communication works of our broadcast stations, media personalities, even corporate organizations who have been contributing a lot to the industry.
Hi, Miss Anne!
Welcome to LCU.
Thank you.
Pag sinabi kong Maluhokwan, ito ay isang napakagandang honor sa mga nasa liga po ng media at komunikasyon kung saan binibigyan natin ng parangal yung mga taong pinakamalaking nagbigay talaga ng kontribusyon in terms of media, communication, journalism, and other kinds of public service. Nakikilala naman natin kung sino yung mga medyo malugaling, kung sino may attitude na, oh, I don't have to be there, ganyan. Ma-VIP ang peg, oo. Pero si Anne, she has been very, very humble from the very start. And na-appreciate yun ng mga tao. Kasi nung wala pa si Anne Curtis, okay lang naman, jolly na naman yung audience. Pero lalong natuwa yung mga tao kasi Anne Curtis, isang primetime queen, pupunta dito sa Lyceum. It is such a big thing at hindi yan malilimutan ng mga tao.
And the Hawkwan Award goes to, syempre naman, Miss Anne Curtis!
This was the second time na mabigyan siya ng parangal ng Lyceum students at syempre kitang-kita sa mukha ni Anne kung gaano siya kasaya. For this year, Anne received the Best Celebrity Advocacy Award dahil sa kanyang noteworthy contribution para sa beneficiaries ng UNICEF Philippines.
She won for Best Celebrity Advocacy. Actually, ang maganda dyan, ito ay isang bagong award na talagang pinilit ko. Sabi ko nga, kasi hindi naman lahat ng ginagawa ng artista natin puro acting or entertainment, 'di ba? At sabi ko isang bagay na makaka-inspire sa kabataan kapag alam nila, lalo na yung mga artista na na-appreciate no, yung mga ginagawa nilang ibang bagay bukod sa pagbibigay ng entertainment.
Hello and what's up, mga Lyceum of the Philippines? Of course, first and foremost, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng administrators, faculty members, the students sa karangalan po na ito. Last year nga po, I was appointed as the Celebrity Advocate for Children of UNICEF Philippines, which was very meaningful po to me because I really, truly do have a heart for children.
Anne is one of the greatest influencers that we have now. And being able to be chosen as an ambassadress for UNICEF. Marami silang nominees, but the students, pinili nila si Anne, maybe because they saw kung gaano kagaan yung personality niya, they saw kung gaano siya kagaling mag-invite, and they saw also maybe kung ano yung mga nagiging resulta ng mga invites niya.
So I had my very first fundraiser last year, which was the Heroes for Children Run Po, which was for the benefit of UNICEF Philippines program, the first 1,000 days of life of a child. We'll be doing it again this year, kaya sana po yung mga talagang mahilig po dyan, sali na rin po kayo this year. I also had another project for UNICEF Philippines, which was my very first children's book na sinulat ko po, yung Anita the Duckling Diva, which was also for the benefit of UNICEF Philippines.
Ever since naman, kung sinabing Ann Curtis, hindi lang naman yan pang pelikula, hindi lang naman yan pang konsyerto. Talaga naman siya isang, for me, prime time multimedia personality. Kasi sakop niya ang lahat ng sektor na kung saan meron tayo ng lipunan. Wala sa pagiging masa, wala sa pagiging high-end. Siyempre, yung isang tulad ko si ni Ann is, nakikita mo, she is very confident, she is very graceful, Pilipinang-Pilipina, kahit may tugong iba. Ang pagkapanalo ni Miss Ann ay isang bagay na talaga naman nakakapagbigay ng inspirasyon sa mga bata. At syempre, sa lahat ng mga tao.
Maraming salamat po. This is a meaningful award for me. So siguro mapapangako po sa inyo na I will continue to do my best to raise awareness on how each and every one of us, we can all do our part in changing the lives of the Filipino youth for the better. Because we have to remember, the youth of today, they are our country's future generation. So the change, it has to start now. And we can do that. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kahit sa karangalan na ito. God bless all of you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po for being here today.
The last 2 years, I was actually not able to watch Umaluhokon. And they've been saying that Anne is really a trooper, no? Talagang, nakita ko nga dun sa video, kumanta pa siya. Now, she did even more, no? Bukod sa kumanta, ginaya niya pa si Vice Ganda. Nakakatuwa siya kasi she does not make herself, kumbaga, far from her fans.
Anne was very inspired dahil sa award na nakuha niya kaya walang patumpik-tumpik siyang nagpasample when the Lyceum students requested for an impromptu song number.
Hello from the other side. Upon 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call you, never seem to be home.
Anne was always jolly. Tulad sa nakikita natin sa TV, it's nice to see Ann Curtis in person doing this, performing in front of the Lyceans who prepared this award-giving body for her. And we appreciate na pumunta siya dito. She took time to be able to attend this event, and we are really happy for that.
Anne even stayed longer than she planned para na rin i-present ang iba pang kapamilya awardees and of course, ang kanyang mother station, ABS-CBN.
So receiving the award on behalf of Vice Ganda is Tina Ochoa, and of course, Ann Curtis.
Congratulations to Miss Ann Curtis. She won last year for the field of entertainment, and this time she wins again. This time for an advocacy that she's pushing, which to me is very, very meaningful. And I'm sure si Ann, nakita niya na na-appreciate ng audience. Hindi lamang yung ginagawa niya sa larangan ng entertainment, kundi para na rin sa larangan ng advokasya. Congratulations, Miss Ann Curtis.
Isa sa mga pangarap ni Anne ang natupad nang mag-shoot sila ng first ever music video niya. This is for her latest single, Empire of Pink.
This is the very first formal music video of Ann Curtis. So I am so flattered to work with her kasi this is a first. And I'm so excited kasi Ann is talagang 100% yung pag-work niya dito. Talagang full commitment. Resources, time, connections, lahat talagang binuhos ni Ann to make this really, really good for herself and for her fans.
In this video, makikita na naman natin ang maladyos ang kagandahan ni Anne.
I met with Anne late 2015. Tagal na. Late 2015, binring up yung new album ni Anne. And then she wanted to launch with a music video nga. So last year pa yun, 2015. And then finally, sinut namin, 2016.
Para mas memorable at may personal touch niya ang music video, si Anne na mismo ang nag-produce nito.
We were doing the sunset part wherein she was a DJ. So yun, naka pink shades kami. It's Sunday Somewhere, and then she was wearing a pink bikini top by Koi Swimwear, and then a Topshop pink skirt, and then Moschino shoes. So yun, everything pink, very young, very DJ, since parang yung vibe medyo beach eh. So yun, we were in a bikini.
Whole day tong shoot na to, we especially picked the location H2O Hotel because it offered us that sunset na not available anywhere else eh. So, ang ganda ng sunset from that place, and it had all the facilities that we needed, and they gave us full support. We started, I think, rolling mga 8 or 9 o'clock. Ang aga namin mag-roll all the way to about 2 a.m. And talagang 100% yung energy ni Anne all the way. So talagang wow, grabe. Grabe yung full support from everyone. Everybody just gave 100%.
Foreground, standing by.
And then, go to the knees. Yung next turn natin for the next take is turn to your right. Para
Okay.
And cut.
It was a long day shoot. Parang our call was 5 a.m. We ended at 2. But it was fun. Kasi pag shoot naman with them, parang with Anne and the team, kulitan, food trip.
Foreground, go. And go. Beautiful. So down, so and cut. Beautiful.
Very energetic song, yung Empire of Pink. Very empowering. Tsaka yung mood niya talagang party mood eh. Talagang party, ang saya, ang ganda ng vibes. Good vibes talaga yung music. Parang I could imagine talaga this music can be played in a club.
When I first heard the song, parang ang galing ng beat eh. It's very, the feel is very EDM, so medyo fun. So the whole time that we were shooting, it was on repeat. So parang, wow, parang ang galing, lakas maka last song syndrome ng...
Rolling.
Rolling! May tao sa harap dumadaan. Rolling!
This is Anne. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, action.
Ano naman nilagay, ano lang. Pwede ka mag-travel.
Pero dapat siyempre meron kang para may expected response ka niya, di ba? Okay. And but
Ano yung expected?
One more time.
May hidden talent si Andy dito as party, di ba? Na nag-DJ siya. Yung full glam team ni Anne is responsible for making her look fabulous. Ang ganda-ganda ni Anne dito sa ano niya. Kita nyo naman yung mga close-up, ang lalapit. 100% talaga yung to make Anne as beautiful as always.
She wanted very DJ, very funky, fun, parang she wanted it to rain pink bilang she's the Empress of Pink, diba? So it was Empire of Pink. So puro pinks, as in umuulan ng pink.
Chronological yung shoot namin. Bedroom, yung sinundo yung friends, and then we shot the sunset scene, and then the club scene. So parang it's a whole full day. Parang ganun yung ano namin. Umabot sila dun sa club. Also a club in H2O Hotel. No? Doon niya nakita yung kanyang mga other friends who are actually Jasmine Curtis and another friend of theirs. I would like to thank Jasmine Curtis also for participating in this video of Anne. Of course, she added even more glamour to the video.
Moving. Talking business.
Business!
Talking na kayo, talking. Happy, smile. Talking, happy, smile.
The scene with Jasmine, it was in a club. Yun yung parang final scene namin. She was in a club, DJ siya, night scene na. And then she was wearing a Moschino bomber jacket. Yun, the one we ordered pa online. And then Anne was wearing a top and a second shorts, Daryl Maat top. Tapos it has an Anne here. So yun, siya si DJ Anne.
And then, walk. Slowly walking.
We are the pride! Oo, kasama kayo!
Kasama kayo. Fighter dito. Mag-close.
I admire Anne so much because when she puts her mind into something, she just achieves it eh. Ang galing. Gusto niya mag-concert, gusto niya magkaroon ng album, ganon. She wants to put out a music video, ganon. Ibang klaseng kanyang determination. She has her focus. She has so much things to do. But nung kailangan niyang gawin yung music video na to, she set aside a lot of things and focus. One full day from 8 a.m. till 2 a.m. game. Just to make the right music video.
Talagang in-enjoy ni Anne ang shoot na to, and because this project is a product of her blood and sweat, no wonder this project screams Anne Curtis.
Si Anne naman, I think, for the longest time that we've worked, parang she's very hands-on eh. Sa lahat naman ng parang she's very meticulous, and then alam niya what she wants. So you get directions from her.
Anne was involved all the way to post-production. She even went on her birthday to Central Digital Lab just to check on the final online material. Kasi nga, yung role ni Anne dito, it's not only is she the singer, binibiro na nga namin eh, after every take, yung producer, tawagin natin dito, pa-approve natin to kasi siya rin yung producer.
For now, talents.
Everybody loves the music video. Very glossy, very fashionista, very Anne.
Sobra talaga yung dedication ni Anne dito. Pati yung camera. Nagpahiram pa si Anne ng camera. Para may additional camera for ano. But kompleto talaga. May drone pa dito sa video na to. It's talagang talagang bongga. Bongga talaga yung talagang ang galing talaga nitong video to.